Consider this: as you browse the internet, you notice nothing new. But then, whoosh! You happen across a landing page that is so alluring that you are compelled to click buy now. It's not just you. In fact, this is a daily occurrence for thousands of people all around the world. The creators of these landing pages with high conversion rates? The unsung marketing masters? They aren't people. AI makes them. And we're going to divulge their secrets today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is more than simply a story device from a science fiction film. Affiliate marketing is undergoing a seismic upheaval as a result of this real, palpable tool. As you can see, AI can create landing pages that are not just excellent but also incredibly effective. So how does AI achieve this? First, it's crucial to comprehend the client. To understand client behavior, tastes, and what makes them tick, AI systems can analyze massive amounts of data. Customer segmentation is the term used for this. Additionally, it appears that the AI has a view into the hearts of your customers. That's not all, though. AI does more than merely comprehend your clients. It speaks their language fluently. Artificial intelligence, AI, can produce content that emotionally connects with your audience via natural language processing, or NLP. It's comparable to having a copywriter that is never weary, never sleeps, and never runs out of great lines. The best thing, though? The AI is always learning and developing. It employs the A/B testing technique, which compares the performance of various iterations of your landing page. It's comparable to having a marketer who is always improving, enhancing, and optimizing. You must be thinking, that's amazing. At this point. However, how can I participate in this AI action? The good news is that there are several AI technologies available that may assist you in creating affiliate landing pages that convert well. But keep in mind that AI is only as good as the human using it, just like any tool. Instead of replacing people, it aims to improve our capacities. So, use the AI to your advantage and work with it to build something truly exceptional. In the end, it's not only about developing affiliate landing pages with a good conversion rate. Speaking your client's language, comprehending them, and advancing your knowledge and skills regularly are all important. The only restriction is your imagination when AI is on your side. So go ahead and start the AI revolution.